How do I attract money into my life using the law of attraction? Attracting money into your life using the law of attraction is an achievable goal. The key to success is to focus on the positive and visualize achieving your financial goals. Start by affirming your belief in your ability to manifest money. Once you have your mindset in the right place, begin to visualize yourself achieving financial abundance. Focus on the feeling of joy and freedom that comes with financial security. Visualize yourself with the money that you desire and regularly repeat the positive affirmations that support your journey. As you continue to manifest your goals by believing in their possibility, you will begin to attract money into your life. The law of attraction is always working. The law of attraction is always working, whether we are conscious of it or not. This means that our individual vibrations will attract events and circumstances that are in alignment with our thoughts and emotions. Therefore, if we want something, we must offer a vibration of abundance and positivity and remain focused on the goal. This is because whatever vibration we offer, we will attract the corresponding outcome. Conversely, if we do not want something, we must offer a vibration of resistance, so that we do not draw it into our lives. Ultimately, the law of attraction is always working, and it is our responsibility to choose the vibrations that we offer. Don't forget how badly you once wanted what you've now. It is important to always remember how badly we once wanted what we now have. It is easy to take the blessings of life for granted, but it is important to appreciate them and give thanks for them. The universe is constantly providing us with new blessings and opportunities if we take the time to recognize them. It is essential to keep our dreams and goals in mind, but we must also remember to be thankful for what we already have. It is a sign of strength and maturity to be grateful for the things that we possess, even if it is not the exact thing we once wanted. When we take the time to recognize the blessings in our lives, we are able to open ourselves up to the possibility of even more abundance. Don't overthink life. When making decisions in life, it is important to trust your instincts, rather than overthinking. Overthinking can lead to stress and anxiety, which can prevent us from taking action. Instead, it is important to use our creative energy to move forward. When a decision is made, take the time to reflect and understand the thought process behind it, but ultimately move forward without overthinking the consequences. By doing this, we are allowing ourselves to grow and learn from our decisions in a positive manner. This will lead to a more positive outlook on life, as well as a greater understanding of our decisions and their outcomes. What you hold on to has power over you. The power of choice is an incredibly powerful tool that should not be underestimated. Having the capacity to choose what we hold on to and what we let go of is a strength that can help us to achieve our goals and make the most of our lives. When we choose to hold on to something, it has the power to affect us and shape our lives. Conversely, when we make the decision to let go, we can take back control and free ourselves from negative influences. Important to remember that what we choose to hold on to has the power to shape our lives, while what we choose to let go of loses its grip on us, opening up opportunities for growth and development. Ultimately, it is up to us to make the most of this power and choose wisely. Never let your circumstances limit your potential. It is important to remember that we are all capable of achieving our aspirations and living our dreams, regardless of our current circumstances. We should never limit our potential based on our current situation, nor should we let the opinions of others or our own excuses stand in the way of success. It is essential to believe in our abilities and have the courage to take the necessary steps to reach our goals. We must remain determined and focused on what we want to achieve, even if it seems impossible. When we dedicate ourselves to our passions, we can achieve remarkable success. Therefore, never let your circumstances limit your potential. You can do anything you believe in. Do not let excuses or opinions stop you. One of the most powerful ways to make miracles is to stay calm, no matter what. Staying calm during chaos is a powerful way to make miracles. Difficult times can lead to moments of panic and despair, but it is important to recognize that this is simply an opportunity to test our resilience and our strength. Remaining calm in the face of difficulty is a powerful tool, allowing us to focus our energy on finding the best solution to any challenge. Keeping our minds clear and our emotions in check allows us to make more meaningful decisions and to think more constructively. This will enable you to stay focused on the outcome and create an environment that facilitates the necessary actions to manifest a miraculous result. Taking a deep breath and gathering our thoughts can make all the difference in achieving success in any situation. The ability to remain calm in the midst of chaos has the power to create miracles. Remember, whatever you're grateful for multiplies. Expressing gratitude is an important part of living a happy and fulfilling life. It's important to remember that whatever we are grateful for multiplies. Expressing appreciation for what we have in our lives can help us to attract even more of the things that bring us joy, success, and contentment. Studies have shown that those who practice gratitude regularly experience greater emotional well-being and improved physical health. Taking the time to recognize our blessings, no matter how small, can also help us to cultivate relationships and strengthen our sense of connection to the world around us. Embracing gratitude can have an enormous impact on our quality of life, and by doing so, we open our hearts to the possibility of greater abundance. Sometimes, what we initially judge to be bad turns out to be the best thing that could have happened. It is often the case that our initial judgment of a situation is proven wrong. Despite the fact that something appears to be bad, it may turn out to be the best thing for us. We should allow ourselves to trust the universe and have faith that everything is happening for a reason. We may not understand it at the time, but often our perspective changes with hindsight. It is important to remember that we can't control the outcome of every situation, but we can control how we approach it. Instead of feeling defeated, we can accept that things are beyond our control and look at it as an opportunity. If we have faith in the universe and embrace the changes that come our way, it can open up a world of possibilities. Let's not waste your energy trying to get people to understand you. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can be used to bring us what we desire. By focusing on our desired outcome and allowing our vibration to be in alignment with that, we can attract people and situations into our lives that will help us reach our goals. Instead of wasting our energy trying to get others to understand us, we can use the law of attraction to attract like-minded individuals and opportunities to us. By shifting our mindset and being open to the possibilities, we can trust that the universe is working in our favor and will bring us what we need in order to reach our highest potential. All things are created twice, first in the mind and then in the real world. The idea that all things are created twice, first in the mind and then in the real world, is an important concept in business and life. All successful projects, products and initiatives start with an idea in the mind of the creator. To manifest that idea, the creator must have a plan to bring it to life. This plan will involve a process of research, development and implementation. Without a plan, the idea in the mind will remain just that, an idea. To bring a concept to fruition, it must be formulated, planned, and executed in the real world. To achieve success, the idea must be fully realized in the real world and not just in the mind. Ultimately, this is a process that involves creative thinking, dedication and effort. Stay positive and believe in yourself.